Morning, everybody. It is 8:37 on Friday, end of the week, and it's welcome for sure. This is your pre-opening comment video number 2193. Okay, we had some important numbers today. We had income and spending. Income was up zero point 0.5 versus last month's plus zero point 0.4. Spending was actually down a bit. It was up 0.2%, but that was versus up 0.3. So income up a little, spending up a little less. PCE, which is the Fed's favorite, is unchanged versus unchanged. On a year over year basis, it's up 2.6 versus up 2.7 on the last reading. Core PCE is up 1/10. Expectations were up 3/10. On a year over year basis, it's 2.6, just like the regular PCE, versus 2.8. We also have Chicago PMI in a little while, and a little later we have consumer sentiment for final read. Uh, uh, for the first quarter. Okay, chart on the screen is the copper, and it is doing exactly what I expected on the way turning back to the upside. Today's the first up day in about 5, and we are currently up almost 6 cents. We broke yesterday and the day before's high. Next target would be this high from the 26th, and that is 454. Okay, look at some of the other futures. Stock futures are higher. Before the numbers came out, the Dow was up 11, currently up 23. NASDAQ was up 93, is currently up 96, and the S&P, which had a high of up about 21, is still up about 19. On the oil is higher again. That gas is higher. Grains are a little bit higher. Gold is up 7. Silver up, up about 48 cents. That one's really been lagging lately. And the dollar is actually down a little, with interest rates that were higher currently back to down 5 basis points. As far as overnight earnings and such, Nike 80.02 down 14.17 or 15%. Even though they beat, they missed slightly on revenues. Their gross margins increased by 110 basis points, which is nothing to laugh at. North American revenue decreased by 1%, and you know the stock really can't get out of its own way. Apple up 205 or 1% at 216. iPhone shipments in China increased 40% in May. Foot Locker down on Nike's disappointing sales outlook, 24.26. That's down $1.26 or 4.9%. And PTC Therapeutics, PTCT, $30, down 466 or 13%. And it was recommended, the EMA recommended that it not renewing the conditional marketing authorization for Translara, which is a medicine for helping treat patients with nonsense mutation muscular dystrophy. Europe and Asia are both a little higher. The 10-year is down about 1 basis point. Right now, we have the Dow down 5 on the day. The NASDAQ gains are cut in about half, up 50. And the S&P also backing off a bit. up about 9 right now. All right, folks, have a good weekend. And don't forget, next week is July the 4th, so it is a short week. Have a good one.